In today's top cryptocurrency news, January 3-1-0-3, in the first new, examiner finds customer deception, very Ponzi-like use of funds at Celsius. The court-appointed examiner found many intentional and unintentional shortcomings at the bankrupt crypto lender dating back to its founding. In the second new, rumor has it that Dogecoin could shift to proof of stake. What does that mean for miners? Dogecoin shifting to proof of stake would be good for the environment, but what impact would it have on miners and ASIC manufacturers? In the third new, LayerZero bridging protocol denies accusation of critical vulnerabilities. LayerZero is the protocol used by Stargate Bridge, which has over $382 million locked in its smart contracts. In the fourth new, 5 altcoins that produced double-digit gains as Bitcoin price rallied in January. Bitcoin's strong monthly performance translated to outsized gains in APT, Gala, T, Mana and Sol, making them the top-performing altcoins in January. In the fifth new, opinion, have Brazil's Lula and Argentina's Fernandez heard of cryptocurrency? Brazil's Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva and Argentina's Alberto Fernandez want to create a common currency. It sounds suspiciously like a state-controlled cryptocurrency. In the sixth new, top 9 cyberpunk movies of all time. Cyberpunk movies feature advanced technology, such as computers and the internet, in a dystopian future setting. In the seventh new, Cronos Labs to accept second cohort for $100M backed Web3 accelerator program. The program aims to provide selected projects with upfront seed funding of $30,000 in addition to mentoring, masterclasses, and support from industry experts. In the eighth new, Bitcoin pumped 43% in January 2023. What to expect in February? Watch the market report live. On this week's episode of the Market Report, Cointelegraph's resident experts discuss what the second month of 2023 could potentially hold for BTC. In the ninth new, Ethereum staking withdrawal testnet Zhejiang to go online 1st February. This is the first Ethereum public test since the merge upgrade in September 2022. Developers said further testnets would be triggered in the coming week. In the 10th new, US lawmakers renew request for answers from Silvergate on FTX, report. Silvergate reportedly cited restrictions on disclosing confidential supervisory information related to the collapse of FTX in response to a similar December 2022 letter. In the 11th new, Bitcoin poised for another attack on $24,000 as trader predicts bearish February. Bitcoin's best-case scenario is $25,000 before a correction, one trader believes, as BTC price upside cools. In the 12th new, UK native stablecoin integrates into 18,000 ATMs nationwide. Brits can now withdraw physical cash for GBPT, a 1-for-1 British pound stablecoin, as well as other cryptocurrencies at ATMs in the United Kingdom. In the 13th new, Tesla records $140 million Bitcoin net loss in 2022. The electric vehicle maker earned $64 million in profits from Bitcoin trading, which was offset by a $204 million impairment. In the 14th new, Crypto Quick Hits, 8 simple steps to multiple weekly winners. 2 overlooked indicators are alerting traders to massive potential price increases. In the 15th new, 20 wild attempts to create crypto micronations or communities. From repurposed cruise ships like MS Satoshi to the blockchain-governed Liberland and Satoshi Island, crypto fans are trying to create utopian new communities built around new rules. In the 16th new, Bitcoin's 7-month high dominance has BTC price signed $25,000. Will Ethereum spoil the rally? The Bitcoin Dominance Index could start falling again if the price of Ethereum can pair its 5% losses versus BTC year-to-date. In the 17th new, how AI can make the metaverse a more interactive space. The metaverse will likely impact physical and social interactions, with artificial intelligence a critical factor in this shift. In the 18th new, Top 5 Bitcoin documentaries to add to your watch list. Bitcoin documentaries can serve as a tool for advocacy, helping to promote the adoption and acceptance of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. In the 19th new, Bitcoin miner Greenidge cuts NIG debt from $72 million to $17 million. Despite restructuring into a hosting firm for Bitcoin mining, Greenidge still owns about 10,000 miners, maintaining a capacity of 1.1 AS. In the 20th new, ADA-backed algorithmic stablecoin JED launched on Cardano. After its successful security audit, the algorithmic stablecoin, JED, from DeFi service provider Coty, deployed on the Cardano mainnet. In the 21st new, Bake investors have less than a week to join class action against Yuga Labs. The new class action lawsuit aims to help Bake and Ape buyers get compensation from Yuga Labs due to the firm allegedly misleading investors. In the 22nd new, SEC settles on security claim in LBRY case, community calls it a big win for crypto. The SEC was hoping to seek affirmation on an ambiguous injunction after scoring a victory during a hearing in November 2022, but judges made it clear that the judgment was only for the direct sale. In the 23rd new, here is how to prevent NFT theft, according to industry professionals. Professionals working in the Web3 space highlighted various tools and best practices to protect NFTs from hackers and scammers. In the 24th new, Hong Kong will not tolerate algorithmic stablecoins in new regulation. The new regulatory regime for stablecoins in Hong Kong should arrive no later than 2024. In the 25th new, here is how Kazakhstan aims to enhance its legacy crypto trading framework. The Astana Financial Services Authority, a Kazakh regulator, pointed out that the existing framework dates back to 2018 while proposing certain enhancements. In the 26th new, Bitcoin sees most long liquidations of 2023 as BTC price tags $22.5 thousand. BTC price downside volatility sees $46 million of long Bitcoin positions evaporate in a single day before the monthly close. In the 27th new, Premier League gets Ethereum-based digital cards with Sorare partnership. Sorare seals partnership with the English Premier League to issue Ethereum-based digital player cards for its popular fantasy sports platform. In the 20th new, crypto firms cut nearly 3,000 jobs in January despite Bitcoin's rise. It was a tough month for crypto employees, with at least 14 firms announcing staff reductions, including Coinbase, Gemini, Digital Currency Group, Consensus, and Blockchain.com. In the 29th new, BlockFi gets caught not to sell crypto mining assets. BlockFi reportedly wants to get bids in as quickly as possible to make the most of the current market conditions. In the 30th new, crypto wallets combat scammers with transaction previews and block lists. New features aimed at protecting users come amid recent crypto thefts and phishing attacks targeted at well-known crypto executives and influencers. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.